come at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. As the character said, those who do not know pain will never know true peace. They talk about the mass murder, act of terrorism. I know police have talked about terrorism. A long time we have used that word there. A long time we are telling us how them 87s operate nowadays. The firepower them have when they can pull up on a scene. Within seconds, get off hundreds of rounds, kill much people. These are terrorists. Long time I telling about them. Now me them talk about terrorists, this and terrorists that. It's an act of terrorism. If you look at the definition of terrorism, it have a goal. When 87s growing, when Tredegar Park happened, they had a goal. It wasn't just to kill. It was also to make the rest of people them see, this is what we can do. This is what we will do. Inflicting fear, panic, confusion on a mass scale. For the rest of the year, rest of next year, we're going to see some extraordinary levels of misery. 8 people. You see, when people say, oh, Jamaica don't have mass shootings, clearly you don't know the definition of a mass shooting. A mass shooting, one of the most basic definitions of a mass shooting is anytime 4 or more people get shot. Jamaica have mass shootings regular. It's just that your idea of a mass shooting, or what only counts as mass shooting, is some single shooter, village or young youth or something like that walk up in one place and shoot it up. Mass shooting anytime 4 or more people get shot. That's one of the most basic definitions. Mass shootings happen in Ireland regularly. This is a mass shooting. And based on the broad range of the victims, based on eyewitness reports, it was pull up and just wet up everything them see. That's a mass shooting. So for all the people who say, well, Jamaica don't get mass shootings. You sure about that? And by the way, among the victims, there was a child, about 7 or 8 years old. May that child rest in peace. Caught in the crossfire. That child, like many other children in Jamaica, just so happened to be born in one of the most murderous and vile societies known to man. A society where pulling up on the ends and shoot up everything we see get people stimulated, turns them on until them actually see them want to come ball and make nice. Somebody look me and say, look YouTube, I know it's all like 1 or 2 days stories. I tell him, say 2 days, you get enough, day and a half. Jamaicans don't listen about this. Jamaicans love this. These things flourish in Jamaica because the society and the people create the perfect environment for it. The reason why these things happen is because the environment, the society is conducive to it. You can't boil soup on the water in a pot. You can't throw in the pumpkin, throw in the spinners, throw in anything you want to throw in. But if the water in a pot, no soup now make. Certain conditions have to be there. Certain things have in place for your pot of soup turn out good. Murder cook and bubble up well good in Jamaica. The murder pot sweet in Jamaica because the pot with the cooking now. Right? The ingredients them there. Main ingredient, Jamaicans in general. The so-called most God-fearing people on earth. Most churches per square mile. But me telling a long time say them Irish Saxons are vile. They make the KKK jealous. Them Irish Saxons that make the Ku Klux Klan jealous. I said, damn. Man, them people are doing the job better than we. So for the next day or so, you're going to see big excitement on YouTube and Instagram and social media. People that talk about this and people that talk about that. Understand this. See the Jamaican, especially when they sip on the internet. When they sip on your various YouTube channels and your Instagram pages and all them something there. Telling about them already. Some of the biggest hypocrites known to man. Get up every day and watch video about crime and gunmen and criminals. And the one them when they're popular and famous, them say police will just kill them. Nobody will no courthouse, just shot them. But the one them they like, well, you see that guy already. The one them have tune, you see that guy already. I'm telling you, this a bad blessing drop on Iron Man. When you see a nation When you see a nation come out in full force and support evil and wickedness, there has to be consequences. Before the Olympics even reach now, when I tell them to say, bad blessing drop on that. And then I get nothing. Back to obscurity you go. Track and field, sprinting. I mean, big up Stoner for the gold medal in a discuss, but let's be honest, enough Jamaicans think that discuss mean a discussion. Them think they're talking. Field events where Jamaicans used to pop style and go on like them too good for now, them are rally back on it. I thought, boy, yeah, big up the field events, big up this. Track and field on the claims on the run off, the one blessing where Jamaica had to get take away. The worst Olympics in modern history, the most depressing Olympics in modern history. Some things I saw in that Olympics, not even Hollywood could have scripted. Me never know that live to see China. I dust out Ironman tracks team. 4x100 relay, Ironman I get dust out by Mr. Chin. Back to obscure, the one blessing Ironman I get take away. When me say it, man, I tell them about, yo, Olympics don't even reach nowhere, so watch how go on. We did watch how go on. And nothing no go on. Blessing take away. Misery, suffering, and death. Just pay attention to the rest of the year. And next year too, it's spooky. When a nation come out and show itself like that, there has to be consequences. We not laugh with it, we not ball now. Uptown, downtown, everybody are going to feel it. Because those who do not know pain will never know true peace. So it look like the Jamaicans are going to feel pain at a national level. The people realize how serious this thing is and start say, you know what? No more. No longer support this, no longer support that. At a national level, Ironman have to feel it. You hear me say, laugh now and cry later. That will make sense to know for by the end of the year. Tell them it's a serious time, just I'm telling them, say, download the video them. Because there's a war going on. The machine can feel like the consciousness of some of the Jamaicans are slipped from out of them control. Enough of the people, them eyes are open up. 8 people dead. I'm saying, including a child. Right now, we have to only shed tears to the innocent because we don't know who is who. We don't know who is who. Not because some people now bust gun. Not because them now carry gun go over here so. Not because them now take part in a gang activity. Enough people are wicked same way. Enough citizens in Jamaica are pro-criminal, pro-acidity, pro-badness, even though them not commit no crimes themselves. And sometimes the chicken come home to roost. Enough Jamaican, this is how them sleep at night. Them tell themselves, well, me not kill nobody, me not bust no gun, me not a clansman. So even though me there, I say, yo, big up this and you see me and support this and me not actually I kill nobody, so I'm different. No. Honestly it work. If somebody a molest on a 5-year-old in the community, and the people go to the community and say, no, say, they get molested, and the people them say, yo, well, suck your mama and go, you chat too much, them under a real general. The people them who say that, even though they're not directly molesting the people themselves, understand, them are wicked too. I wonder if now listen to me. Enough people think say them are quote unquote good people because them now commit the crime themselves. The chickens that come home come roost enough Iron Man. The amount of people are like, look you Chiba, you hear the name of the man them who do the shooting. So informer thing at upon. Informer thing at upon. They mean the name of the you call bad man name. My lad, you call bad man name, I want to your top paid march bank. You call bad man informer thing that. Remember who don't like informer? Just say it work. When them say don't call man name. Right. Make man do this and then make man get them this and make the Privy Council say this and then me work with it. Make we wait until you hear what the Privy Council say with them man and we kill them people. Let's not judge. Now them say, yo, don't judge man. Or let's not judge these man then. Make we wait till the Privy Council give you a ruling on this. Let's not judge them. We are asking about who do offer. Informer thing get upon. Do you see how vile these cretins are? When a somebody they like them say lock your mouth, you're informer, suck your mama. When a somebody they don't know and they hear say somebody not true, them say yo, Yo, they've got put him out the door because this can't go so. People lose their loved one. Madness, Carl with the 87 pull up. Camp on a murder tour. Cherry tree. But not no sweet. I'm gonna change the name to Cersei tree. Or Cersei bush. Bitter. A bitter day. Amount of family. A ball. Sometimes I click on the page and then I click on the next page when I see comment on something. And when you go through the people them page, you realize they hold on. But that's somebody love the badness, man. They don't love it to the door. But don't expect fear. At the same story, look on your screen. Police are now hunting a man who was recently released from prison. The man is believed to be the mastermind of the attack, which led 8 people dead and several others hospitalized. Can I get the yawning emoji? The police are now hunting a man who was recently released from prison. Are the same people the jail done, the same people over and over. Them either can't convict the man or them not convict them long enough. Me never even need that headline to know say. It's an habitual criminal responsible for this. The same people is a minority of criminals commit the majority of murders in Ireland are the same people. The Jamaican Jokestice system, because it's not a justice system, it's a Jokestice system, is rubbish. 87s are aware of the fact that they have a very low conviction rate. Very low. The odds are in the 87 favor. Say nothing now come out of it. And even if him get convicted, him can bust that pan technicality down the road, ask Tesha. So telling them say yeah come for them no mean nothing at all. And even if them find the man to do this and kill them, they might kill a 1 and 2 man. But the brother machine, the brother network, the brother gang will remain intact. Criminals in Jamaica are confident. The odds are in their favor. They will walk in and walk out of jail and walk out of courthouse every day all 20-30 times in their lifetime. And then when them eventually dead, them now have 1 conviction to them name. Ask JJ Nakis. Ask Sci-Fi and them man they. No for them man they dead technically. Right, legally, no for them man they dead innocent. Not 1 conviction to them name. Scott. 18-year-old Scott were dead. Leading up to the Charmaine Ratchy and Joe Lynch beheading. Scott had over 30 murders. Scott no way. Conviction look like. So they are confident. Now talk about who do it. We don't want informing. So we don't like informing now. I saw them wicked, vile, fake righteous people are staying. Some of the biggest hypocrites me ever see. Remember, none of them people now go see an informer if you call, no one make that name. No. And pick and choose. May I tell Uno say, dark days are ahead. Laugh now, when you go and cry later. Uptown, downtown, rural. No for when you go and tie on the belly. You see that national embracing of evil and wickedness? Dark days are ahead. For already been stripped of the one thing you led the world in. Tracks. Now you have nothing to distract you because you have nothing to jump up and look on and celebrate. Prime Minister Umeboti call big meeting. Big meeting for the big chatting. Dark days are ahead. Knowing for them style. Or run down and maybe catch one man, 2 man, maybe kill them. The foundation will always be shaky because them not fixed it. The Prison Act. The Bail Act. The conviction rate. The Jokestice system. Them not gonna actually fix that. Them same wicked, vile, hypocritical people here say, kill them. Kill them. Can nobody carry them down to court? Just kill them. Just be them let talk about constitutional rights. But them not go busy about them when they're constitutional rights. Because we know they don't care about no rights. They're just trying to find ways to sleep better at night. Mental gymnastics so they don't feel like what they are. Bunch of vile, wicked, hypocritical Irish Saxons. 8 dead. 1 day. We did them a show stats about murders down this and murders down that. Make we see how it gonna. Dark days ahead. Buy on the belly band from now. More than likely, I'm gonna do a follow up on this. Go in a little bit more detail, but I just want to drop this out there from now. Just want to remind you. You were warned. The laughing stage done, Iron Man. Crying time now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know more life. Just squad, see you circling. Bless.